know that Target sells real plants.
They have the cactuses here.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Katherine. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping. I'm so glad to have you. And if you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. This video is going to be things that I have bought in a month for my apartment. So I have some fun stuff that's just sitting around here and I'm so excited to show y'all. And I know I don't have to give you all a disclaimer, but it gives me peace to do so. That I'm only sharing this video with you all because I love decorating. I love finding things on sale. And I feel like y'all like my friends, like my girlfriends. So I'm like, girl, let me show you what I found. I just hope y'all take that to heart. But if you have not already done so, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will not miss out on any videos that I have coming up. Let's jump right into the video. This couldn't have not been a video without me shopping at Target. But this is currently out right now. So I'm gonna share this first with y'all, but make sure you finish watching the video before you go running out and go grab this stuff. The very first thing that I picked up was this wicker basket. This is from the Target dollar spot and it was only $3. I have so many different ideas for this. So like you could put a plant in here, use this as storage in your bathroom, even in your office space. I've really been into plants lately and maximizing my space. So I'm like, I have a really good idea. Another thing that I picked up are some garden pruners. I saw this on someone else's YouTube video and I was like, Target has those? Like I'm up there at least once, twice a week and I don't even see these. But you know what? Everything gets sold out at the Target near me. Are y'all in that predicament as well where this Target that's close to y'all gets sold out so you have to travel so far just to get these things? I've really been into plants and I've probably been talking about that a lot because I'm so excited to share that with you all. But I thought it'd be really handy to have some pruners on hand and these were only $5. And everything I'm gonna mention here is gonna be linked down in the description box if you're interested. This next one is a poster hanger. You don't even have to use it just for a poster for so many things. And I thought this would be a really cute addition to a makeup that I have come up soon. So make sure that you hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on that makeover that I have coming up. So this next item is a rope bag. And the first thing I thought about was have your swimsuit on and get wet. Like what do y'all put y'all wet swimsuit in? And I saw this, I said, oh, this is gonna be perfect. Okay, so it's really small and cute. I love it. It has a coral net, a peachy handle. Of course, wash it first. But I think this would be so nice to just carry around if you have like veggies, going to the beach and you put your wet clothes in, or even your shoes, like your dirty shoes. This is a good idea. I'm really, really happy I got this. Just giving y'all all type of ideas. So the next item that I got is a chamomile complete grow kit. The packaging itself is what attracted me, like bicycles and flowers on it. If you are not following me on Instagram, what are you even doing? Go over there and click on the tab that says plant. I am beginner at plants. I want us to go on this journey together, especially if you are somebody who never grew up in an environment where plants were part of your lifestyle. You don't know anything about it, but you want plants in your space. There's resources out there. So I wanted to grow my own mini garden in my apartment. Okay, it's not gonna be crazy, but I wanted to start off really small. My last purchase from this Target trip. Y'all, look how cute this is. Target, Target, Target. The detailing is so cute. They have a pink carrot on here. I think this is tomato, a strawberry. Never in a million years would I think that I go into Target and get gardening tools. Never.
Hey y'all from the future. My inspo for this video was something else I picked up from Target that I failed to mention in this video. It is my Easter candy dish. My favorite thing about it are the bunnies. One is on top of the other one, like looking into the bowl. How cute is this? And I love the woven design around it. And it has a little bit of weight to it, but it's so cute. Okay, back to the rest of the video.
Okay, so the next thing that we are gonna go into, because I have so much of them, and I'm so excited, okay, are my plants. I don't know how to pronounce her name. I'm gonna just leave it right here because I don't want to butcher it. But this plant is a purifier. She's beautiful. She has like these light green and dark green areas. I do have to pull out some of the leaves that already died from when I picked her up. I did a makeover a couple of months ago. I'm gonna insert the video up here so that you can go and watch it after this video. I did a makeover on a budget. The price difference between real plants versus full plants are a major difference. We end up spending 2 times less the amount of the same exact plant only because I got a real one versus a fake one. And I think that kick-started me being curious about plants. And then I realized when I had it in my space, it just made me very happy. I wanted to keep them plants for myself. Here is my next baby. She is a Pathos plant. So this is a 2-in-1. They're ivy plants. They need little to no maintenance because they grow very, very long. They are just beautiful. Plant pot that I have in here is from Target. This is from the Opal House brand. This is a woven hanging planter. She's so beautiful. I love the detail, how natural it looks in the space. Continue on this little plant journey. I have this succulent from IKEA. I've been doing so well with her. I think it's been 3 or 4 weeks since my IKEA video came out. Funny story. Very first, no lie y'all, my very first succulent from IKEA turned jet black. I cannot make this up. I wish I can find the picture. If I do, I'm gonna insert it right here. But y'all, she was this color. Maybe a little bit darker green, and she turned black.
I was supposed to for this one. What happened? Jeez. You guys, I've never claimed to know how to keep plants alive, but this is ridiculous. This is a succulent plant that once was vibrant green.
But sometimes plants need little to no water, and sometimes they need time to drain in between your watering. And I didn't know that. And then on top of that, you cannot overwater succulents because that's how you get next. This actually brings me to the next item, the most cutest item. I'm gonna show you better than I can tell you. Is this bicycle. It's a spring bicycles that's from the Target dollar spot. And they have it in a white one and a gray. This is different, it's unique, and I love it. Y'all, it fits so well in here. Y'all can't tell me this is not cute. And you can like prop it anywhere. It fits on a windowsill. It can fit on your bookshelf. It can fit on your desk. It can fit on your nightstand. It's just a cute decorative piece. Continue with all this cuteness, y'all. These are the, y'all. Let's talk about the plant pot first. Beautiful brown skin planter. I need to give her a name. She looks like a Patricia. She definitely like a Patricia. She's so gorgeous. And they have them all in different colors. They come in a smaller size and then a ginormous size. Now what brings her together is the plant. She is so pretty. And then they have a faux purple flower at the top. So stinking cute, y'all. Even though I say like they're hard to kill, you still don't want to neglect your plants. So this is a heart-shaped plant. My husband actually got it for me from Valentine's Day. We actually got this at a store, a grocery store called H-E-B. This reminds me of cement. So it's another natural element in the space. My very last plant, I have another cactus. So I want to take her out, but she's a little spiky. And she also has a faux pink plant. Cactuses need sunlight and need to be watered when they're dry. These two are just adorable. Okay, so that is all for my plants. I have these peacock bronze and pink bookends, tapping more into my style. And it's very bohemian, but it's with a modern, clean look to it. But I like the natural elements. I like dusty pink, peaches, corals, bronze in it. These bookends are, in my opinion, timeless. Them as standalone decorative pieces, or you can use both of them, of course, or one by themselves and have your notebook and books leaning up against the wall. And it looks cute on its own. So it's not necessarily a home decor piece, but it's a kitchen item. Then I love this cup because it's different. It has like half white at the top and half pink at the bottom with brown spontaneous dots around them, which make this piece very unique. This cup definitely reminds me of like a very clay, high-end cup. I love the handles, how they're shaped. I got this from Home Goods, so I don't know if they have more. But so this next item is actually big, so I cannot pick it up, but I'm gonna insert a clip here.
Wanted to show y'all my new planner. Michaels have 50% off of their organization in spring, and I saw this planner, which I've been wanting for a very long time, but I was not willing to pay the regular price, which is $80, and I ended up getting this for $40. It's really huge, by the way. Let me put this one in front of it just to give you a general idea. Huge, right?
This is my new dry erase calendar board. Y'all, I've been waiting for her for months. And she is huge, okay? I knew that I needed something that I could look at. Just on the wall that was big, that went with my decor. Have a month calendar on there, a today task list, and then it has 5 days out the week at the bottom. I do still have a planner, but it's something about just looking at it on the wall, see what I have coming up in the weeks ahead. And it just prepares me visually and mentally. So my very last item, I'm so excited to show y'all a snippet of it. I finally got a desk of my own, y'all. This is a huge deal, okay? I've been talking about it on my Instagram as well, that I want to make over my office space since the last time that I did it. I sit for longer periods of time editing, recording. Knew I wanted a larger desk space and something with storage. And I'm so happy I picked her up. She just fits well into this space. So that will be an upcoming video in the future, and you do not want to miss it, y'all. But that is all for this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. Everything will be linked down below. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you haven't already. And as always, I will talk to you all later. And my very last item, it's my very last item, right? Make sure I got everything. Let's try it.